Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we discuss about one cue card. Its name is Describe a piece of clothing you wear most often. Its cues are what it is, how often you wear it, what it is like, and explain why you enjoy wearing it. Well, I like to wear comfortable clothes in my routine, such as jeans and shirt, whereas I wear formal suit, traditional kurta pajama, whenever there is any occasion or festival. Here, today I am going to talk about a special suit which is my favorite now. I vividly remember it was gifted by my father on last birthday. It is a wine color coat pant along with tie and white shirt. It is a very beautiful suit and its fabric is velvet. Girls can speak about Punjabi suit. Moreover, it is branded by Raymond. It has a beautiful brooch on the coat's left pocket. Also, it is so expensive. Moving further, since I got this suit, I wear it on almost every occasion. No doubt, I have huge collection of formal suits for special occasions, but this suit is my first preference. It is so stylish and gives me a smart look. In addition, due to its velvet fabric, it's so comfortable to wear. I wear formal black shoes with this suit. Girls can speak belly. To be honest, I get lots of compliments whenever I wear this coat pant. Beside this, I have also clicked many photos in this suit. As far as I remember, I had worn this suit 10 to 12 times in the past few months on several different occasions, but I did not feel bored to wear again. I feel its quality makes this suit special as well as it is designed by professional fashion designer. All in all, this is my favorite suit and I feel on cloud 9 whenever I wear this beautiful coat pant. Thank you for watching this video. If you like it, subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for more updates.